That's enough. This is how you just continue speaking English 1 month. Definitely, it helps to be a fluent speaker in English. It seems to me that you are good in English, you know very well about English, but you can't speak in English fluently. That's the, main matter. I just say something here. If you just one thing you do, definitely you can speak in English fluently because you know very well about English as well as English grammar, vocabularies, everything you know very well. So, why you can't speak in English? Because you don't give a lot of time behind speaking English. Every day, at least 10 minutes, you just invest behind speaking English. That's enough. This is how you just continue speaking English 1 month. Definitely, it helps to be a fluent speaker in English. Even you can speak English anywhere. Of course, you just do this and don't, I mean, feel any hesitation. You just always think that you know very well in English, so I can speak in English with anyone. It is just communication skills build up. You, 12 years your academic life completed. So over there, you just learn many things of English. So why you can't speak in English? Because you don't practice, right? But from now, you just, practice daily basis. You make a routine today, 10 minutes, next day, 15 minutes, another day, 20 minutes. This is how you continuously the practicing. I think that, and I guarantee you, you will be a fluent speaker and you can speak English fluently. As well as, I just say here, it is international language. It is not our mother tongue. So, first time it will be more difficult, but day by day it will be very easier. Okay, so just open your mouth and speak something, and also 5 minutes daily basis you speak in English and let me know in the comment box. I will check this, and you just think that I have to say anything in English because I don't know any language. You just give up your mother tongue because you love to speak in English and you have to speak in English anyhow. Even when you go other side, that means outside of your home, that time you have to speak in English. And then, sometimes some people mock you, joke you, doesn't matter. But you're practicing complete, that is the, main mission. Okay. You just think that I have to speak in English, how much time or how long I speak in English, and this is the main way, and this is the main matter. Okay, you just always think your brain, I have to speak something in English. As much as you speak a lot, you will be a fluent speaker. That means you more speak and you more fluent, so you have to be speak a lot. And also there are a lot of students, know very well but can't speak in English. Obviously, if you don't practice, how you can speak in English? Definitely, at first you have to give priority of speaking English. That means practice. You practice a lot. Definitely, you can. Correct everything. Sometimes you make mistakes. Okay, but day by day you just automatically whole things you just observe and you just many things. Okay, you just mind it set up in your brain. I have to speak in English and I have to practice a lot. Even in your daily life, when you say something, the time you have to speak in English. You always try to speak in English. Even your family's members, with your family's members, you speak something, the time you try to speak out in English. Okay. If you, create this habit, obviously it helps to be a fluent speaker. And also, you watch many English movies or other, TV shows. Those were, subtitle in English. Over there, you see and again and pronounce. As a result, you're, training your brain, and you can say many things in English. So it is not rocket science. It just a little bit practice. If you practice, you can speak in English fluently. So in this video, already has been long video. So no more to the next video. I will say many things. So let me know in the comment box how you feel in this video. Okay, if you feel good in this video, definitely like, share, and comment. So thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Until then, stay well and healthy. Goodbye.